This one, it shook me to my core.
Did it now?
Yes. I didn't even see this when I was doing the video, or it didn't even strike me. Now, I want you to look at the bottom of that S21 right there and see if you are also shaken to your core just by looking at that image. What do you see?
Well, I see the speaker grill and the Type-C port.
Yeah, but what strikes you? What strikes you?
It's not uniform?
Symmetrical?
Symmetrical. Yeah.
That wouldn't be. I don't think that would get to my core. I like symmetry.
Well, what gets you to your core?
Only certain things are able to reach deeply to the core.
Okay.
Oh, Mo wants to take a guess now. He's in the blue chair, so he wants to take a guess. No, not the antenna bands. The problem is that little dot beside the SIM card tray.
The microphone?
Yeah, the microphone.
What's wrong with the microphone?
The SIM card tray moved from this. I guess, where is it on your phone? On the top or on the side?
Oh, jeez. It's
on the side.
It's at the top.
Oh, on the top. Yeah. Okay. So when it's on the top, no problemo.
Okay.
By the way, Will has the previous generation S20. They put on the bottom, and now people, and I don't know how many people are doing this, are poking the microphone with the SIM tool instead of the SIM card tray.
Oh.
Because the hole is identical.
Yes.
They're putting their SIM tool in the wrong hole.
Oh. That's not a good look. You got to be responsible.
And maybe they're in a rush, or maybe they're a user that's not as versed in the SIM tool in and out, or the SIM tray in and out.
Yeah.
But looking at it, it never crossed my mind. I looked at it, okay, so what? A microphone. And I'm sure there's going to be people in this video that are like, excuse me? Like, deal with it. You can tell which...
Stop being a baby.
Yeah, they're going to say you can tell which one is the tray. But I guarantee you, Will, someone is poking their microphone port.
Yeah.
Somebody's going to do it.
Do you think it'll damage it?
I don't know, but I don't want to be the one experimenting.
Yeah.
Hopefully not. Maybe Samsung will update us with a statement on this. Hey, poke away.
Yeah.
We would like users to know they can poke away. It won't do anything, but feel free to poke your microphone. But yeah, it is a consideration. It does look kind of odd now that you see them right beside each other. At first glance, for me, it wasn't apparent, but it makes you wonder from a design perspective, you couldn't put the microphone
on the other side?
Maybe on the other side, or and also why you had to move the SIM tray from, I mean, the scale of the phone is similar.
Right.
Curious why you would do that. But anyway, that's the way it is on this one. So just look, it's not that big of a deal. I'm just saying.
Well, you made it a big
I'm just saying well, he did. This guy did, but in the article. But I'm just saying don't poke the wrong hole. That's all. All right.
Be responsible.
Yeah, poke the right hole.